Are you tired of that stubborn belly fat? Ready to make a real change, but don't know where to start? Here's the truth. Belly fat can be tough to lose, but it's not impossible. With the right plan and mindset, you can make it happen. Let's break it down. Step 1. Fix your diet. You've heard it before, and it's true. Abs are made in the kitchen. Cut back on processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats. Focus on lean proteins, healthy fats, and lots of fruits and veggies. Step 2. Move more. Exercise is key, but it doesn't have to be all about crunches. Aim for a mix of cardio and strength training. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, gets your heart pumping and burns fat faster. And don't forget weightlifting. Building muscle helps torch calories even when you're resting. Step 3. Stay consistent. Change doesn't happen overnight, but by staying consistent with healthy eating and regular exercise, you'll start seeing results. Measure progress by how you feel, not just what the scale says. Step 4. Get enough sleep. You might be surprised, but sleep is crucial for losing belly fat. When you're well rested, your body burns fat more effectively. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night to let your body recover and recharge. Step 5. Stay positive. Lastly, don't stress too much. Stress releases cortisol, which can lead to weight gain, especially around your belly. Find ways to relax, whether it's through yoga, meditation, or just taking time for yourself. This version is streamlined and focused entirely on the key points for losing belly fat.